how to play YouTube music in Discord. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to play music, what you're going to do is you're going to have to install or add an app inside of your Discord server. So for example, we're currently in this server over here. So simply click on test over here or your server name and click on app directory. Over here, you're simply going to search Jockey and you should be able to see here Jockey Music. The Jockey Music is the most featured rich Discord music bot that would allow you to get music from all kinds of sources, including YouTube. So after this, simply click on add up over here, then select the specific server that you want to add it to and click on continue. And you're simply just going to give it some authorization and so on and so forth. After that, you should then be able to see it inside of your server. It will give you a text over here as you can see. So now what you could do is you could now follow the instructions, the basic command as you can see, and play. And then you could do it by link. So simply get any link that you found in YouTube or YouTube Music, and you should be able to play it into your Discord server. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.